Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well by God's grace. So today's video I will be mixing this aboniki. Aboniki is so amazing when it comes to hair growth. It helps to stimulate blood flow in the scalp, and that can contribute to a healthy hair growth because our hair grows from the scalp. So I'm just going to add a little amount of aboniki because aboniki is very hot, and my aboniki is also finished, so I'm going to be using the remaining one. If you want to make it, just make sure you add a little aboniki because aboniki is very hot. It's even hotter than veggie hair fertilizer. So the next thing I'll be adding is my Blue Magic Blue. This is the anti-breakage formula, the conditioner, the one that can help you to condition your hair. So the next thing I have the DAX pomade, which I'm also going to be adding a little bit of it on my bowl. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you all. So if you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share with your friends so that you will not miss out any of my new upload. So now I have everything in one place. I'm just going to mix as you can see me doing, but I'm still going to add my jojoba oil, so you can use any oil of your choice at this point. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of castor oil. So this is my carrot oil, my DIY carrot oil. I will be adding that as well. So now I'm just going to mix everything together as you can see me doing right now. This product is so good when it comes to hair growth. If you mix it with that aboniki, you are going to get a lot of benefit from it because that aboniki is hot, and that is going to really help you to stimulate hair growth. So I'm just going to mix everything together. As you can see, if you want, you can use hot water to melt it. So if you don't want to go through the process of boiling hot water, you can just use your spoon and just can mix it the way I'm just doing right now. So like so, you can mix your grease, and here you go guys. This is just one use. If you want, you can also make a large quantity of this if you have a lot, like a lot of aboniki at home. The more you add your grease, the more aboniki you are going to add. So today I will be braiding my hair. As you can see, I will be doing a cornrow on my hair. So I've done some part of it, so remaining this part I want to just show you guys on camera how I will be cornrowing my hair, and also what I use with this product. So that pomade is there for conditioning, styling, and preventing hair breakage. Then rich with a blend of oil. Daily application will improve the overall condition and appearance of your hair. Highly recommended for hair that break at the end. So if your hair break from the end is from excessive dryness, so this product is recommended for those that their hair break from the ends. Is going to help to keep your hair conditioned so that your hair will not break again, because when your hair is in good condition, that means it's not going to be breaking all the time. So I just part my hair because I'm not seeing what I'm doing guys. I'm just doing like imagination. So after that, I'm going to grab, this is my biscuit and the clove water that I made. The video is already on my channel, so please, if you have not seen it, go and check it out, and remember to share with your friends and family because that oil is so powerful for our hair. It helps to grow your hair really fast and also keep your hair in a good condition. So I'm just using the water spray that I make on that video. So I'll just apply this to my hair to keep my hair down a little bit before I will use the glue. So now I'm going to be using this Garnier leave-in conditioner. This is so good for hair, guys. If you want to define your coils, you don't want to buy like expensive product, this one is so good to define your coils and also keep your hair moisturized as well. So I'm just going to just rub that all over my hair, as you can see me doing right now. So that's okay, like blue. So the next thing I'm going to be adding my hair grease that I missed earlier. So I will be adding that to my hair, just use it to seal in every moisture that I put. The next thing I'm going to detangle my hair. So the original anti-breakage formula Blue Magic Conditioner Hair Dress is formulated to give effective hair conditioning for days without being greasy. Keep hair natural, so it promotes healthier hair and scalp, which is really good for our hair, guys. These two products are so good when it comes to our hair condition and also our scalp condition. So after that, I'm just going to curl my hair just like so, guys. This is so tiring when it comes to curling my hair. I really run from cornrow because of the tiring. It really make my hand to be so weak. So I'm just going to be just doing all that to the back, as you can see me doing right now. Okay guys, now we are done. I'm done making my hair. So this is how it is. This is my first time of covering my hair from the beginning to the back. Like I always do like two step because I know I'm not going to get to the back. But today I finally get to the back, even though the last one is small. I try today guys. So this is how my hair is looking like now. My hair is really growing so fast, as you can see. So now I'm done with my combo, so I'm going to just grab my grease and apply it to my edges, as you can see. Then I'm going to grab my water again and just spray it all over my scalp again, as you can see me doing. This is so good guys. I use this water every day on my hair. I just spray it on my hair, then I grab my hair grease, I just put it on my hair. So the next thing, I'm going to be taking my grease to put on my scalp, just like so, to massage it to my scalp. Like this is so good. I love this hairstyle a lot, this combo. Like this is my first time of making combo that I finally get to the back without me doing two sessions. Like I'm so happy. So after applying that to my hair, as you can see, I'm just going to kind of use my finger to kind of just do a little massage, just like so. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all a lot. So this is how my hair is looking like now at the back. Yeah, this is the back of my hair and it's looking so beautiful. I really love this hairstyle. I will be doing more of this hairstyle next time. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye and stay safe. Ciao ciao. Stay blessed. Bye.